Hello everyone, today I'm making homemade cough syrup. Okay, this is my garlic. I'm using just a clove of garlic. As you can see, I'm mashing my garlic already, so this will help stop the cough instantly. This is just a clove of garlic that I mashed. You need fresh garlic, okay, fresh garlic. Then one lemon. You'll be needing one lemon, okay. So after mashing my garlic, I will have to squeeze the lemon inside it. You need just one lemon. No matter how hard that cough is, if it is cold or anything, it will stop the cough instantly, immediately. Once you take this concoction is very powerful. So you can see just one lemon and one clove of garlic. So I will add honey to it. I will have to transfer this into another portable plate like this. Then I will add a little honey. You don't need much honey like this. This one is okay. A little honey is okay. You just have to take this concoction at once. After taking it, then you take warm water. You drink warm water. This is very good and highly effective. This concoction is good for cough and catarrh. Very good, and it will help clear the throat once and for all. So my homemade cough syrup, this concoction is excellent. Okay, please do not forget to watch, like, comment and share, and also help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see more of our posts. You can also rate your country where you're watching us from, so that we'll send you a hug. Okay, thank you and always remain blessed.